Hello, meet again with me Tunik Pandey. I like making something. This time I would like to make an alcohol gun from plastic bottles. This is very easy to make. I'm sure you also can make your own. So first I got plastic bottles. Here I use perfume bottles from the bin, as you can see. And then we also will need aluminium bottles, gas matches, screw, wood, and wire. So first we have to make a hole at the top close of the perfume bottles or plastic bottles. So make sure you make the hole that has the same size or type with the aluminium barrels. I use a drill to make the hole and happen to that is good size of the drill, and as you can see this is work really well without any problem. So second, we have to cut the aluminium barrels at the right size of the plastic bottles. I use manual steel saw, as you can see. Okay, and then I make it soft because that will help you when you put the weapon inside or the bullet inside. Look, soft and smooth. All good, as you can see. The hole is good, the top and the back. So put inside, and this part is very tricky, a little bit difficult to make it strike. So don't give up, you will get it if you calm and relax. Take your time and find your mood. And then I use super glue. This type of glue is very easy to find around you, or if you have a glue gun, that is much better. Okay, set it again, make it strike. Okay, until here the process is almost finished. Let's talk about this is the body. The body is almost finished. Okay, next. And then the third, we are going to make the handle of the gun. You can use any wood that you can find around you, or you can use other part if you have any solution. But now I would like to use wood because happen to I have the right wood here. Make the sketch. Anyway, you can make your own sketch, any size or look like what, that depending on what you want. Cut it. Honestly, it take around 4 minutes for me to cut it. Okay, make it sharp for better result. Here I use machine sanding machine grinder. Okay, let's assemble it. Next, we need the previous bottles with the barrel and then wood and then matches, and then screw, and then wire. Okay, I use glue gun to combine the plastic bottles with the wood handle. This is very tricky. If you have a glue gun with the right tools, will work really well, but I broke it already, so I use manual solder to make it melt. And as you know, after this, I put the screw in the middle of the bottles. Note for you, don't put the screw very close by each other. So for the handle, I use the gas matches. I cut with the scroll saw, and then I took the electric part and I glue it. Open the wire and left the steel inside. Okay, this part is very tricky, so make sure you do it carefully so you don't break the important part, and then will make your time even longer to make this. Okay, look good. Next, cut the cable and take the main part, the bronze part. This is from the same cable, but I also left the white side one because I changed my mind. Left the white side one will protect your hand from the electric that will come from the matches. Okay, first you connect the green cable that you cut before with the wire, and then the top you connect with the screw. This is very similar like electric. There is a plus and there is a minus, and then the other screw you connect with the bottom of the matches. There you go. You put inside, put some glue gun to make it stick. Okay, it almost finished, so after this I will show you how is the result, how strong it can work. How strong the bullet will go to target. Here I use like a cotton bud with nail at the top. I put alcohol, maybe this is 95% alcohol, I'm not sure. Stronger is better, higher is better. 100%, that will work really well. Look, you can see big target can go back, even wood. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so you don't lose any update for the next project. Thank you.